Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm updating you on two things: my Simple Biz Books app, and then my ecom project with Coding with Joseph. Again, this is sponsored by Coding with Joseph. If you guys having any troubles learning how to code or want to get into coding, feel free to give Coding with Joseph a try on Skool.com. Please see the description in the link below. Now back to the vlog. So I finally got a paywall to my expense tracker, as you can see here. If you click on get started, I know I have to change the options here. Um, Hopefully it will show up in a second. You can see the Stripe integration, as you can see, and then you can click back. It says in the sandbox at the moment, but if you click back, you click back to the paywall, which is great. This is the code for the AI expense tracker. I had to add a whole bunch of stuff, something to do with cores with the website in order to allow correct functionality on the back end. Had to add a bunch of stuff on the front end, um, asking Vercel to connect with Railway. Railway is the app that I'm using to connect my backend to, and so that's where my backend lives in Railway, and Vercel is hosting my front end. So I'm trying to connect the two and have all things work together, which is quite challenging. Um, Here are a few screenshots of the errors I was getting when I was trying to create this wonderful paywall. First off, actually, this is probably the error that I probably would struggle the most because I didn't know where it exactly would go in Revenue Cat in their dashboard, and so finally I got the offerings set up properly so it would read properly. Um, Secondly, this is all the cores policy stuff. I had to add to my backend in order for it to work. Error: the offering wasn't found, and then this is all the errors that I got. The other thing is that I forgot to add the SDK Revenue Cat SDK API key to Vercel because I forgot that Vercel has their own environmental variables. So that's one thing I forgot. But here it is, and I'm glad it's finally up and running. Secondly, I have my, let's bring it up here, my ecom project with Coding with Joseph. The main thing here was that I managed to shift all the notes with the help of Claude AI, of course, from the JXS, from the coding files to a markdown file, because Joseph commented that it was just too busy to read. So I think this is a better system for it anyways, so we can add as much notes as you want and know which sections it is in. Um, I guess I can see how I can fire this up and let you guys take a look at the I don't know if I can. Anyways, if it fires up properly, I'll add to this video. But long story short, we're trying to get the images to load up properly in the e-commerce project. So it's working with the encoding. Not quite sure how that all works, but I think of enough reps, I'll get it one day. So that is it, ladies and gentlemen. That's another night in the books, and I'll see you guys next time.